Dear learner, in this lecture we have to see control statement, that is switch statement, goto statement, break statement and continue statement. Switch statement is a use to select particular case. Goto statement is a use for unconditional branching. Break statement is a use to jump out of the loop without going back to test the condition. So break statement is a use to jump out of the loop, and continue statement is used to continue to the loop still the test condition is a false. Okay, so we have to see one by one. First is a switch statement. We have can make use of multiple else statement in a program to control selection. But if there are number of else if else statement, it increase the complexity and it is difficult to read and understand such type of a program. Okay, C provide the switch statement to avoid the use of a such series of a if statement. The general form of a switch control statement is switch integer expression. We can use integer expression or character constant. Okay, switch is one of the keyword, and there is a parenthesis. Okay, the integer expression or particular condition is in that parenthesis. Okay, switch statement is not terminated by semicolon. Okay, so switch integral expression. Okay, case constant first. Okay, if we put switch 1, okay, it indicate that case constant 1. Okay, this is our input. Okay, statement block 1 is executed, and after execution of this statement block, okay, we use break statement. Okay, break statement which jump out of the loop without going back to test the condition. Okay, if in a switch statement we use 2 or integer expression is a 2, then statement block 2 is executed. Okay, statement block is 2 is executed. Okay, if 1 or 2, these integer expression are not used in a switch statement. Okay, and we give another input, default statement block is executed. Okay, default statement block is executed, and after execution of this, statement A is executed. Okay, so switch, if switch integer expression 1 is there, statement block 1 is executed. Okay, then there is a break. Okay, so that the execution of a program jump out the loop and statement A is executed. Okay, okay, if 1 or 2, this integer are not in integer expression. Okay, then default statement block is executed. Okay, and after execution of this, statement A is executed. Now, entry case 1, if it is a true, statement block 1 is executed, and after execution of a statement block 1, statement A is executed. Okay, but if the condition is a false, statement case second is a check. Okay, if it is a true, then statement block 2 is executed, and after that statement A is executed. But if case second is a false, then we check third case. If it is a true, then statement block 3 is executed, and after execution of statement block 3, statement A is executed. If all the if then we can use number of case. If we consider case n, okay, case n, okay, if case we check the case n, and if it is a true, statement block n is executed, and after execution of statement block n, statement A is executed. Okay, if all the condition are false, all the condition are false, that is case A, case 1, case 2, case 3, up to some case n, all these cases are false, default block is executed, and after execution of a default block, statement A is executed. Okay, now this is one of the example of a switch statement. Example to illustrate the use of a switch statement. First main, now integer grade. Okay, integer grade. Now printf, enter code for grade. Okay, this message is a display on a screen. This is output function printf, which is terminated with semicolon. Now input scanf percentage %d. Why percentage %d? Because grade is integer. Okay, grade is a integer, and the input is grade. Okay, switch grade. Okay, case 1, print f distinction in a new line, break. Case second, new line, first class, break. Case third, printf /n new line, second class, break. Case 4, printf new line, fail, default printf /n result declare, break. Okay, printf end of example. Okay, if switch grade, in this switch grade, okay, switch grade, if we give input 4, then the message display on a screen is a fail. If we give input, okay, input by using scanf function, okay, if we give input 1, if we give input 1, then it display distinction. If we give input 2 by using scanf function, then the result is first class. If we give input 3, then the result is second class. If we give input 4, result is failed. Okay, default. Okay, if we give any other input, then result declare. But if all the condition is false, all the condition, that is we does not give input 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, the default it show result declare. Okay, and after that end of example. Okay, now this is also one example of a switch statement. First, main, then character. There we can use a character, okay, which is there is a initialization of a variable. So character is a one of the variable. So printf slash n file, printf slash n edit, printf slash n view, printf slash n window, printf slash n help. Okay. Now printf /n it indicate new line. Type the first alphabet of any atom, menu atom to select. First alphabet. If F is we type F, it indicate that they select file option. Okay. E, then edit, V, view, W, window, H, help. Okay. Now this message is a display on a screen. Type the first alphabet of any menu atom to select. So this is output function. Input %C. Why %C? Because our input is a character and character 1. Okay, character 1. Now switch character 1. Okay, switch character 1. Okay, case F. So if we give input capital F or small f, printf, you have select file option. This message is a display on a screen. If we give input capital E or small e, then the message display on a screen is you have select edit option. Okay. If input is capital V or small v, then the message on a screen is you have select view option. If the input is capital W or small w, then the message on a screen you have select window option. If the input is capital H or small h, the message on a screen you have select help option. Okay. If no input is given or no input from E, F, E, V, W, H, which we initialize, okay, then the message on a screen is no option selected. Okay, so very simple program which is used to study the switch statement. Now goto statement. Goto statement is used for unconditional branching. Goto is one of the keyword. Okay, the syntax for goto statement is goto label. Okay, goto label. Okay, and it is terminated by semicolon. Label, we can use any label. When we use goto label, then the execution of a program is go to the location where label this name or valid variable name is used. Okay, this label can be any place, anywhere in a program, either before the goto or after goto. Very simple. Okay, now program to illustrate goto. First main function. now integer I. Okay, printf enter value for I. This message is a display on a screen. Okay, because printf is a output function. Okay, this is a terminated with semicolon. Now scanf percentage d, which is in double inverted comma. Why percentage d? Because I is a integer. Okay, and I. Okay, now I is a input. First we have to check the condition. If I is less than 0, if this condition is true, I is less than 0. If this condition is true, go to out. Go to out. Then the portion that is else print number, print f, the number you have entered is percentage d comma I, exit. This portion is not executed. Okay. If I is less than 0, go out, then out. The label is out. So execution of a program goes to the location where out label is used. So out, printf, you enter negative number. You enter negative number. Okay, but if I is less than 0, this condition is a false, then the printf, the number you have entered is percentage d, comma I. This message is a display on screen. Okay, so go to statement means go to is used for unconditional branching. Unconditional branching. The execution of a program goes to the location where we use particular label. Okay, particular label which is mentioned in a goto statement. Now, break statement. In some situation, it may be required to jump out the loop without going back to the test condition. Okay. In such situation, we make use of a break statement. Break is one of the keyword. Okay, break is one of the keyword. Now break statement, this is terminated with a semicolon. We can use this break statement in a while statement, in a do statement, okay, in a for loop. Okay, so we can use anywhere where we have to terminate the program or terminate the loop so that the execution of a program jump out of the loop without going back to test the condition. Okay, so first with the while statement, as while test condition, if particular condition. Okay, while test condition, if the condition is a true, then the block of a statement which is given in a while loop is executed. Okay, if condition, if this condition is a true, break. Okay, break, and after use of this break, statement A is executed. Okay, statement A is executed so that the program is not remain in the loop. Now with the do statement or do while statement, first do, then the portion of a portion or the block which is present under the do is executed. Okay, now do, if condition, if this condition is a true, break. Okay, that is execution of a program jump out the loop. Okay. Now there is a do while loop is a bottom tested loop. Again, so their execution of a program goes out. Okay. There is a again while loop goes out and the statement A is executed. This is for loop. For okay, we know that in for loop there is a initialization, then there is a again increment operator is a we use, and there is a test condition. Okay, first initialization, then test condition, and then increment. Okay, now in a for loop, okay, if the loop is satisfied the particular test condition, okay, then the execution of a program is in for loop. Okay, now if condition, check this condition, if condition, if this condition is a true, break. Okay, so that the execution of a program is goes out from the loop. Okay, execution of a program goes out from the loop and statement A is executed. Okay, now example to illustrate the use of a break statement. First main, then character ch is equal to get character while ch is not equal to n. Okay, if this condition is true, then the block of a statement or the loop is executed, okay, which is given below the while statement. If then there is a one condition, if ch is equal to z. Okay, if this condition is true, then break. Okay, printf %c, because we use c is one of the character. Okay, then comma character, ch is equal to get character. The program will read a character from the keyword till the user input n within the loop body. If the character read is a z, it will break from the while loop. Okay, now continue statement. Continue statement is a continue the loop. Still the test condition is false. If the condition is a false, still continue in the loop. Okay, continue statement. Okay, continue is one of the keyword. Now this continue statement is terminated with semicolon. It is used in while, do while, and for loop. The continue statement passes the control to the beginning of the loop. Thus, when a continue is encountered in a loop, the following statement inside the body of the loop are skipped and control is transferred to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. Thus, the difference between the break and continue is that break cause the loop to be terminated, where continue cause the following statement to be skipped and continue with the next iteration. Okay, now continue statement is used in while loop. Okay, first while test condition. If the condition is true, then the statement for block is executed. Then if the condition, if the condition is true, okay, the while loop is executed. But if condition is a false, still continue the program. Okay, continue the program or continue the execution. Okay, in a do while loop. Okay, first do if condition, check the condition. If it is false, still continue. Okay, while again test the condition. Okay, do while loop is a bottom tested loop, so the condition is tested at the bottom of the loop. Okay, if the condition is a false, still continue the execution of a program in for loop. For there is initialization, test condition, increment. Okay, then the loop, if condition, if the condition is a false, continue the execution. Okay, still the continue the execution. Okay, now this is one of the example. First main, then integer number is equal to 1 while number is not equal to 0. While number is not equal to 0. If this condition is a true, then the loop given below the while statement is executed. Okay, print f, enter the number, scanf percentage d and num. It indicate that number is an integer. Percentage, for that we use percentage d. Enter number, this message is a display on a screen. Okay, and the input function is a percentage d and number. Now we give input as a number. Okay, if number is divided by 2 and remainder is a 0, or the modulus of this number is a 0. Okay, continue. Okay, modulus is 0, continue. It indicate if this condition is a false, modulus is not equal to 0. Okay, this condition is satisfied, still continue. Okay, printf, the number is percentage d comma n. This message is a display on the screen. The sample output, if we enter number 2, number 2 divided by 2, so remainder is a 0. Now this condition is a true. So that enter number 2, this message is a display on a screen only. Okay, enter number, we enter 2. If we enter number 3, by using scanf function, okay, now 3 divided by 2, remainder is 1. Now if num divided by 2 or remainder is 0, this condition is a false. Okay, this condition is a false, still continue, so that number is a 3, which is a display on a screen. If we enter number 7, okay, modulus is 0. That is modulus is not equal to 0, or remainder is not equal to 0. Okay, so continue, and the number display on a screen is a 7. So in this lecture we discuss switch statement, goto statement, break statement, continue statement. Switch statement is used to select particular case. Goto statement is used for unconditional branching. Break statement is a jump out of the loop without going back to test the condition. And continue statement is a continue to the loop, still the test condition is a false. So this is related to control statement. Thank you.